So, good morning to you all. This is another type of heating that is called as a microwave heating. We already discussed about the dielectric heating. Okay, so we know that microwave heating is different and dielectric heating is different. In case of dielectric heating, you can also uh, uh, heat the food. Okay, but microwave heating is more efficient than other types of heating because microwave oven heat food quickly and efficiently. That's why we prepare microwave heating. So come to the point, what is it actually microwave heating? Okay, so microwave oven is also known as a microwave. It is a kitchen appliance that heats and cooks the food by exposing it to electromagnetic radiation. These radiation are in the microwave spectrum. The process involves polar molecule in the food to rotate and produce a thermal energy. In the process is known as a dielectric heat. This is nothing that is a dielectric heating is separate. But come to our topic, that is a micro oven heating, microwave heating. That is inside the microwave heating. We consider our microwave oven. Okay, inside the microwave oven we know that here magnetron is present. Okay, I will tell what are the parts present so that it will the microwave oven heat food quickly and efficiently. In other words, intermolecular friction gives rise to heat, and that heat is utilized for heating the substance itself. Microwave oven heats food quickly and efficiently. A microwave oven heats food by passing microwave radiation through it. So microwave are form of non-ionizing electromagnetic radiation with a frequency higher than ordinary radio waves but lower than infrared light. This oven use frequency in one of the ISM. ISM, what is this meaning of the ISM? I stand for your industrial, S stand for your scientific, and M stand for your medical. Industrial, scientific, medical bands. That is called the ISM. Okay. So the frequency used about 2.45 gigahertz. GH means that is gigahertz frequency. Okay. Clear, and a wavelength is 12.2 cm. So that is the not here you can get any MCQ multiple choice question. What is the frequency used for microwave oven in the at the time of microwave heating? So you can write the frequency is 2.45 gigahertz. This is a very important question. This is the main topic of the microwave heating. Okay. So come to what is actually present inside the microwave heating. So we consider microwave heating, generally we consider the microwave oven. Okay, it consists of vacuum tube, cold magneton, waveguide, and container. Three parts is present. Okay, so from this we discuss the vacuum tube cold magneton generates the necessary energy to pass microwave radiation to the substance to be heated. It consists of strong magnet and vacuum tubes. The vacuum tubes consist of tungsten and thorium. It is made up of the materials. Okay, that is we use the tungsten reason because why we use tungsten as a vacuum tube consists of tungsten because tungsten is a high resistive material. We know that high resistive material. So that's why we use vacuum tube consist of tungsten and thorium. So waveguide, that is waveguide, it directs microwave energy to the substance. The microwave are thus focused on the substance food to get a optimum heating. The intensity of this wave can be controlled by suitable method. Enclosure or container is used to keep the substance safely and to contain the microwave within a specific area. So that means we know that microwave oven, we have everybody know that is a microwave, everybody knows what is microwave oven. Okay, so it is not new topic to all, and inside that a rotating base is present. We know that a magneton that is the present, and it is a rotating base is provided which helps to spread the microwaves uniformly over the substance to be heated. That is the main point here, is that here enclosure or container is used to keep the substance safely and to contain the microwave within a specific area. A rotating base is provided which helps to spread the microwaves uniformly over the substance to be heated. That is the main point here. Okay. So microwave heating. So microwave heating, it is a multi-physics phenomenon that involves the electromagnetic waves and heat transfer. Any material that exposed to electromagnetic radiation will be heated up. Microwave heating system is generates the heat very fast within a material. So what is this conventional heating versus the microwave heating? Okay. So you know about the conventional heating system have slow heating rate and heat is transferred via means of air. But microwave heating system generates the heat very fast within a material. Instant heating does not take place, it requires a warm up of surrounding. Heating of material are due to the molecule movement, hence no chamber warm up time is required. Okay, that is the point, when main point. Transfer of energy occur from wall surface of vessel to the mixture and eventually to the reactive species. The core mixture is heated directly while a surface. So these are the advantages you can say over conventional heating to microwave heating. Surrounding air temperatures rises with rise in heater temperature. Here no temperature loss is surrounding ambient workplace. In the conventional heating, all compound is mixture are heated equally. In microwave, specific component can be heated specifically. This is the main point you will find. That is the main point in conventional heating. All the compounds in mixture are heated equally. But in microwave heating, the specific component can be heated specially. Okay, by thermal or electrical source heating takes place. Here by electromagnetic wave heating takes place. This is the main point, that here the thermal or electrical source heating takes place, but here in microwave heating by electromagnetic wave heating takes place. Okay. So next, application of microwave heating. What are the application of your microwave heating? That is heating food. Okay. One obviously example of microwave heating is microwave oven. When you place food in a microwave oven and press the start button, electromagnetic wave oscillates within the oven at a frequency of 2.45 gigahertz. We already discussed, that is the main point, 2.45 gigahertz. This field interact with the food and leading to a heat generation and rise in temperature. The efficiency of microwave heating depends upon the material properties. For example, if you place a food with a varying water content in a microwave oven, there will be a heat of different rates. A dinner plate may be come out with some food on it that is very hot, while a rest it is still cold. Furthermore, the position of the food relative to each other, while also affect a electromagnetic field within the oven. That's why most microwave ovens have turntable to rotate the food and promote the even heating. That is the main part. Turntable is there. You can turntable to rotate the food and promote even heating. Okay. So this is the microwave you know about. This is the, here see, you can, any food you can heat with the help of electromagnetic wave radiations. Okay, that is the turntable. There is a rotate and you will get heat and your food. Okay, it is a one type of more efficient heating as compared to other heating. And this is the wave 6.4 cm. The wave is the, you can find in your microwave oven. You can check your cm. Okay, 6.4 cm. This is. And treating cancer, this is another application of treating cancer. That is the effect of microwave heating is cancer treatment. In a particular hypothermic and oncology, this type of cancer therapy involves the subject of tumor tissues to localize the heating without damaging the healthy tissue around it. Doctor performing the microwave coagulation therapy instead of thin microwave antenna directly into a tumor and heat it up. The microwave heating generates a coagulated region, killing the cancer cells. Okay, this treatment method required a controlling this spatial distribution and heating power. The temperature sensor must be both well designed and strategical place in order to avoid the harming the healthy issue. This is the treating cancer of the use for the where the heating treatment is going on for the cancer patient. That tissue it will heat, you will heat by microwave heating, so that will be damage the cell. Okay, so it is a nothing, it is a application of microwave heating food items, microwave pasteurization or serialization of foods, medical field treating of cancer, treatment involves subject tumor tissues to localized heating. Okay, tumor tissues localized heating without damaging the healthy tissues around it. Okay, that is the main point in case of treating of cancer. Microwave heating is also used in industry process for drying and curing a products. Okay, clear? Any